Okay, this is a demo of my new project called Kumalit. I recorded videos and posted it to YouTube before, the day before yesterday. But now I'm going to give a better demo since the yeah, now I got a better demo to show you guys because anyway. So this is the home page. I got two boxes here. It's like two entries. First to the list and example, just like a demo. So I want to see the demo first because it's much simpler. It's consisted of box text, line text, and sphere. You can see here's the light because this project is in Three.js. It's totally in WebGL. Just I don't want to code WebGL by myself. It's canvas, and so the main purpose of this project is to render 3D objects. It's mainly 3.js objects in Quatrefoil because I like Quatrefoil. I don't think I would use JavaScript alone for this project. So another demo is to the list. You may be more familiar with this to the list through the to the MVC examples. This is A and this is B, and this is C, this is D, and I can do toggle these tasks. You will never build a task to the list like this, but this is a demo. I can remove the B here. So this is to the list. The important part of this project is it's in further down. I use further down to code this project because I used to write RESTful. It's a React-like component, a React-like library for for web apps. So I want to try 3.js too. It can be more interesting to you to code 3D objects. So here, this is the code. The canvas component contains the demo component. So canvas component here, you can see scene here, and point light and perspective camera. So every element has three properties, three kind of properties in hash maps. So this is parents, this is material, this is event. Currently, I only have click event here, and the material you can be very similar to material. It's just like styles, but the parameters can be I would say complicated. Yeah, complicated. Currently, this project is buggy due to the strange behavior of parameters. I would say later. I would talk about it later. So since it's in further down, I have to do div, and do pattern. So this further down tree is a bit different, compared to the 3.js version because in 3.js it's just stored in the say you want to add a child, you just use add and remove and pass the child object here. But in my case, I want to use hash map or an object in JavaScript because then I can div and patch by a key. It's more efficient to div without comparing the order of the objects in the list. So I added some methods here to the prototype of 3D object, this constructor. Now I can use these functions to add by, remove by. So that's the difference. But anyway, it's just some fundamental, some basic code I want to help me make different patchworks. Roughly, it's working. Meanwhile, I think it's a very big problem to handle the geometry part, because geometry is not like document object model objects. Say if I want to create a geometry in here, say when I want to create a sphere element, I have to create the geometry first, and then create an object 3D element with a mesh or something. But to update the geometry, let's see here in patch, to update the geometry, it's update appearance here, but it's very strange. It's not just properties, but some parameters I will have to patch by my own, like x, y, z. X, y, z is this simple part. Is a simple part, but I tried to do radius to like specify the radius in this path, but it's not working. No mention other properties like other properties like scale x, scale y, scale z, and besides the radius, there might be text. Yeah, the text is the first problem I met, first big problem, and I remember there are other properties like height, depth. Yeah, they are also difficult. So just that's mostly what I want to say. So one more thing, just since it's in Virtual DOM, I can reuse code in RESTful to how to update this tree. For example, here is the light. The light is defined in this component. I can how to change color 0, 0, 0, 0, and do hot reloading with closure, and it's yeah, I think it's no no parent change. Say that was problem, because I can change the properties I didn't know. So let's change it back to white. Yeah, I have to reload to make it work. Then I can edit the x here to be, or maybe z to be 30, and it will reload, and the light just can cast too much shadow, like 100. It's much better, and like 300. Yeah, it's darker. Just keep it 100. And if I want to add this to 120, yeah, just something like this. Also, I can since I can enter the demo, and I can come demo. I remove. I want to move this to somewhere else. It's called 30. Yeah, it's moved the back, and move the back, and move the sphere. I don't want to move the sphere. Move the text, the text here. yeah, it's moved, and maybe to 200. I know it's boring. It's boring. Anyway, so I'm just showing its work. I'm just showing its work. But I can't change the size because size is a property. And I have to map this size to the specific path of this property. Uh, anyway, this is my demo. Just so primarily called Quatrefoil. Quatrefoil is just a Three.js project in ClojureScript with further down solutions, whatever.